So hi guys, here we are, Monday, yet again. And we actually have a fair amount of stuff that's going to be happening this week. We got some fun with the McLaren. Woo! There you go.
Pro mod.
It's a pro mod now. Official.
I mean, it was only fitting, you know, for the McLaren.
Woo!
Pro. Yeah, one guy did it. Made 1,036.
Because you can't just have a fun daily.
Yeah.
Never.
We also got to have a video on the C10s on the C10.
Ooh, you guys gonna race? We got Kyle's truck, which has been slowly getting finished and has a lot more stuff done to it now. What's all this done? Look at all this stuff done.
Yeah.
Look at all that.
It's getting there.
Oh,
It's getting there.
fancy welds.
It's all kinds of welded together.
Oh, he went and covered it. Look at that. Ooh, some spoolie boy. And for production for the front cross member and the rear subframe, we got an entire unibody of a V coming in, and that should be here any minute now. So I hope you don't mind me filming him. Look at that good doggo. That be good?
That'll probably be fine.
Something's coming out.
Water. We should have a bump right here, so it's slow up.
Sketchosaurus Rex. Woo.
Hold up.
Yeah, this is the most work I've done all day.
That'll work.
Damn!
Instead of helping me out with the vlog.
Throw you off.
Look at that. Look at him work, man.
On today's episode, it's going to be the HKS.
So what's this for?
Anything we want to do with it, man.
What's the actual purpose?
Subframes, production parts, fitment issues,
How-
stuff like that.
How to get a jig already built.
Grab that dead man over. Third man.
12 valve Cummins drift
Oh boy, 12
drift
valve
car.
V.
12.
Dream come true.
We're gonna use it for drifting.
Oh, Cummins. Real Cummins.
Dude, I'm about to go make this video.
What do you want me to say?
What do you want to say? You're talking to all your fans, Chris. These are your fans.
I don't have no fans. What do you want me to say, Danny? Thanks for watching the videos, guys. Like, share, subscribe. We're going to be putting out more content here soon. Yeah. Hope you like the video.